Okay, so I want to help you on this problem here. The answers, I've noticed that there may be off a cent or two with the answer key, but the key here is the population standard deviation is unknown. Well, we can use the sample standard deviation in its place, but when we don't know the population standard deviation, we have to use the t-distribution. So I'm going to start over and show you how to calculate that. Now, if you pull your formula sheet up in the final exam module, you'll see a formula for confidence intervals. This is with the z value, but you can use it for t as well. Just change the z to a t. So we're going to do for our upper and for our lower, we're going to take our mean. For our upper, we're going to add to it. For our lower, we're going to subtract it. And we're going to take our t value, whatever it is, times, and let me show you the last part. Okay, this part here, the end of this formula, that is a calculation of its own, and it's the standard error of the mean. And since we don't know the population standard deviation, we can use the sample standard deviation. So the standard error of the mean, okay, so what we need to do is, we know the mean. The mean is given to us. It is 311.90. So 311.90 plus and minus the t value. To get the t value, if you go into your bookshelf and go into your appendix A and go to table 5, you will see the t-distribution. Now you're at the 90% confidence level, and degrees of freedom, to get it, you take n and then you subtract 1. Well, the sample here is 21, so if you subtract 1, you get 20. So we need degrees of freedom to be 20 at the 90% confidence level, which is the fourth column if you count the numbers here. So if you go to 20, and it's really the third column over 1.725. That's our number. So 1.725 and 1.725, and now we need to come down here and find the standard error of our mean, which is the standard deviation. We're going to use a sample since we don't have the population. It is given to you, and the square root of n is 21. So if you do that, you're going to get 11.26. So you're going to times this by 11.26 and times this by 11.26. Okay, so once you do that, 311.90, we're going to do 1.725 times 11.26, and we're going to add that to 311.90. So you're going to get 331.32. But really, if you get 331, that's fine. Okay, and then on the bottom, 331.32 is our upper. Our lower is going to be 11.26 times 1.725. You get 19.4235. So 311.90 minus 19.4235. And you get 292.48. So you would write that 292.48 and 331.32.